how to transfer Viber to a new phone. So if you want to transfer Viber to a new phone, then first you need to open up your Viber application. Once you open up your Viber, you need to simply go with More, which is on the bottom right, and scroll down and tap on Settings option. Once you tap on Settings, tap on Account and tap on Viber Backup. And tap on Backup now and start your backup. Once you back up everything, you just need to simply go back and you need to tap and hold on to that Viber application. Just press and hold on to it and tap on App Info. Once you tap on App Info, you need to go with Storage and Cache. And here you need to clear the cache and also the storage. Tap on Delete and remove your storage. Now what you need to do is just simply go with your other phone or new phone and open up your Viber on your new phone. Now once you open up your Viber on your new phone, then you just need to simply tap on Start Now, which is on the bottom, and choose the country code and enter your mobile number. And after that, tap on Continue. Once you tap on Continue, now it will ask you to activate your account. So you just need to simply enter your 6-digit verification code, or you will also receive a call. And after that, you can enter your profile information and tap on the tick, which is on the bottom right, and tap on Restore Now, and it will start restoring your backup that you've just backed up on your other device, and allow all the access, and then tap on Turn On if you want to introduce the caller ID. I'll just simply choose maybe later, and that's it. It will restore your media to 100%, and that's how you can transfer your Viber to your new phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.